The Mudraj. The Mudraj hadith is the interposed hadith. What does that mean? This means that sometimes a narrator will narrate to you a hadith, but he'll interject his own words in it. Like sometimes you're telling a story, right? I went to so-and-so scholar, he said this, and then in parentheses you add your own words, either to explain it, to give your opinion, to elaborate. Now throughout history, sometimes this does not become clear to us. Are these the exact words of the Imam, or now the narrator is inserting his own words? Sometimes in Islamic law, when we're examining a case, we see there's a contradiction between hadiths. Upon close examination of those hadiths, we realize one of the narrators who's quoting the Imam or the Prophet, he added his own words. And because he added his own words, and later on, those who were writing this hadith could not distinguish his words from the words of the Imam, his words became part of the hadith. It created confusion, it created a contradiction. So this type of hadith, we call it a Mudraj hadith, an interposed hadith. What does that mean? That means the words of the narrator got mixed with the words of the Imam, and we can't really distinguish. Sometimes we have clues, we can distinguish, but sometimes it really becomes difficult to decipher exactly what are the words of the Imam and what are the words of the narrator. Now, if we can't distinguish whether the words are the words of the Imam or the words are the words of the narrator, can we accept this as an authentic hadith or no? We cannot. We have a phrase, we don't know. Some parts of it we know belong to the Imam. Some parts of it we know the narrator himself, he interposed his opinion. But we can't distinguish exactly what part of the sentence the Imam said, what part of the sentence or hadith the narrator said. Can we consider this hadith to be an authentic hadith? No. We cannot. Because we're not sure exactly what the Imam said.